Recording in progress.
Okay, so this will be a quick meeting since we don't have any other new contents anymore. So I decided to stop right here. So this is already your last quiz, delta to y and then y to delta transformation. And then the remaining two modules will be, the activities will be under your final exam already. Okay, so when it comes to quizzes, I recommend you guys, or sit breaks or quizzes or practice exercises. I recommend you guys to visit some maybe YouTube tutorials probably, or YouTube examples when it comes to Millman's theorem and then maximum power transfer theorem. Though I think that the module 12 is kind of the easiest one since this is the part of the Strickland theorem. But when it comes to Millman's theorem, this is like a new theorem. So you guys need to maybe review a little bit more when it comes to Millman's theorem compared to the maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, so this is just actually a short theorem, just getting the maximum power transfer theorem or the maximum power transfer pattern. Okay, so yeah, just by getting the wattage, this one, and that's already it. Okay, so okay, so let's proceed now to your main or to our main agenda. Okay, so do you guys have any concerns or clarification so far? Mr. Fardo, Skera, Padonga.
Sir, clear, sir.
Okay. So again, your final exam will be on August 3, I think. So we now only have two remaining weeks, 2 weeks remaining before your final exam. So 2, yeah, 2 weeks and 1 day, or 2 weeks and 2 days. Anyway, so yeah, that's already it for today's meeting. So I'm not sure if you're going to meet next week. So we'll see. Maybe I'll just give this one as your free time. Okay, so you can relax before your final exam. Okay, so if you guys don't have any questions or clarification anymore, that's already it. So a 3-minute meeting. So yeah, goodbye and see you guys tomorrow in our laboratory. So you guys may go now. Blessed day to all of you.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.